I never thought it was possible to get paid to listen to music. I mean, I pay for Spotify subscription. I pay to listen to people's music. So imagine as a music addict, knowing that you can actually get paid to listen to music. Like, I was surprised when I found this out. So in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to not just one but two legit websites that are going to pay you to listen to music. So make sure to stick around to the end, and I'm not just going to be showing this website. Also going to be sharing with you tips that will make you maximize your earnings on this website, so that you're not just getting paid pennies, you can actually get paid some tangible amounts. Yes. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up. But before I share this website with you, let me just take you through how this app works. Like, I know somebody is going to be like, why are people paying me to listen to their music? I'm going to explain it to you just now. So it is simple. Artists, podcasters, they want more people to discover their music, and the only way they can do that is actually to make people interested in listening to their music, since they are still upcoming. Instead of just doing ads and hoping that somebody is going to be interested enough to click on your music, what they do is partner with these apps to get people to listen to them. They can get feedbacks. It's a win-win situation for them. They get people that listen to their music, you get paid for listening to their music. The artist gets exposure, apps get sponsorships, you get paid. So now that you've understand how this app works, let me put you on these two apps that is going to pay you to listen to music. So the first app is called Reward, and unfortunately this is not going to be available to iOS users. So if you have iPhone, this is not going to be for you. But if you're an Android user, I have good news. This app is available on Google Play Store, and it's Reward. This app is going to pay you to listen to music. So you can listen to music on this app. On this app, you can watch videos, you can even play games on this app, and all you have to do is just sign up. You sign up for free, like no money. They are not going to be charging you any amount to register on this app, and all you have to do is complete this simple task, like listening to music, watching videos, playing games, and you cash out your earnings. Yes, it is as simple as that. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, gift cards, or even cryptocurrency. So you choose your payment method. If you're in Nigeria and you're worried that you don't have paper, you can do it via gift card. You know a lot of people that sell gift cards, right? Or you can actually do it via cryptocurrency, so you can get paid via crypto. Minimum withdrawal on this app is $2. So if your money is not up to $2, you cannot withdraw. And they'll usually process your payments between 24 to 48 hours. So if you withdraw on Monday, expect your payments latest by Wednesday. You are going to get paid. Yeah, so that is the first app. So now moving on to the second app that actually pays you to listen to music, to watch videos, to play games online, is called Current. So the second app is called Current, and the good news is that this is available both on the iOS store, on Apple Play Store, and also on Google Play Store. So yes, for my girlies that use, for my iPhone users, this is good news. So you can download this app. So this one is actually my favorite platform because it has millions of songs that you can listen to. Like the first one was a bit limited, as the fact that I even use iPhone, I cannot register on it. But you see the second one, this Current, like it has millions of songs. Like you can never run out of music to listen to. You cannot run out of music to listen to on this application. So all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, download this app, like choose or select the genre of music that you want to listen to. I'm a pop girly, I love pop a lot, so obviously I'll be going for either pop, rock, jazz music, electronic dance. Those are my vibe. Yeah, so I love to listen to that. So you are going to be earning points while listening to your favorite music, your favorite song. The more you listen, the more you earn. So as a music addict, I don't see that as a problem. Like, obviously I do this, I even pay Spotify to like listen to music. So what would be my excuse for not wanting to listen to music when I can get paid to do it? Like, it's that simple. And the good news with this one is you actually get paid instantly. Like, you don't need like minimum withdrawal with this one. You get paid instantly via PayPal, bank transfers. Like, they have different payment methods that you can also do, that you can choose on these platforms. So let me just put it out there that these platforms are not like get rich quick platforms. You are not going to make life-changing money on this platform. There's not like little money that you can use it to do one or two things for your life. So how much can you realistically make on this platform? So I'll say for casual users, somebody that's just using it to pass time, you can make as much as $50 per month. But if you're an active user on that platform, you can make as high as $200 per month. So it depends on how active you are on this platform. But if you are not a power user, somebody that really wants to make money on this app, you can make as high as $500 a month. Yes, if you are really serious, like you're listening to music back to back, you're watching videos, like you can make that much on this platform. So a lot of mistakes that I see people making is they quit too soon. Just because you're earning cents, you're like, oh my god, how long is this going to take? But just think of it as you listening to your favorite artist. Like, you already do not do these things every single day. So what is it going to take you to do it and earn some points and potentially make money? Even if it's not life-changing money, $50 can still do something in this current economy. Yes. So you also need to complete your profile verification. You need to like verify your profile in order to get paid. And please do not use VPN. These apps are available worldwide, so you do not really need VPN to like register on this application. And also you are not exploring like multiple ways of earning. Like you don't necessarily just listen to music on this app. You can also watch videos, you can also play games. So try doing all of these things together to earn extra income. So there you have it, 2 legit ways to make money on this platform. And one is available to Android users, one is available to both Android and iPhone users. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment I in the comment section. And remember that making money is about exploring your options, so do not ever give up. Anyway, see you in my next video.